AI in 2026 is going to look nothing like what it did in 2022. Back then, when ChatGPT first went mainstream, the AI ecosystem was relatively simple. There were a few foundation models, some APIs, a lot of experimentations, and most companies were playing with demos. A very few were actually deploying AI in production. Almost nobody cared about cost, latency, or long term scalability. But fast forward to today, we are in a completely different phase. The AI stack has exploded. At the bottom, we see new hardware companies trying to challenge GPUs, especially for inference. Companies like Grok, Cerebras, and Sambanova focused on speed, predictability, and efficiency for real-time AI systems. At the same time, the foundation model layer has also multiplied. Now we have the proprietary models, we have open source models, general models, and domain-specific models. Then came platforms, frameworks, tools, agents, and applications. For a while, every layer of the stack had dozens of companies doing almost the same thing. That phase, I feel, is ending. What we are seeing now is some sort of consolidation and strategy correction. A really important signal here is the non-exclusive partnership between NVIDIA and Grok. This was not an acquisition. NVIDIA licensed Grok's inference-focused technology and brought the key talent, while Grok remains independent. Now, why does this matter? Because it shows that inference is now just as important as training, and the future of the AI compute is heterogeneous, not winner takes all. GPUs aren't going away, but specialized inference silicon is rare, and even NVIDIA is hedging strategically. Another major shift has been open source models catching up. For a long time, people assumed proprietary models would always dominate. Well, that assumption is clearly gone. Open source models are now very good, cheap, and customizable enough that enterprises are comfortable building real systems on top of them. This has forced a lot of big players to rethink their approach. We have seen companies like Meta shift away from racing purely at the frontier and focus more on ecosystem leverage and distribution. That's not failure, that's maturity. So what changes in 2026? First, fewer foundation model companies that actually matter. Most value moves to deployment, evaluation, and integration. Second, platform wins over point solution. Enterprises want fewer tools that actually work end to end. Then third, inference economics is going to dominate. Latency, cost, reliability, and control matters more than marginal benchmark gains. And finally, AI stops being a standalone thing. It is becoming an infrastructure. It is going to be invisible, it is going to be embedded, and it is going to be expected to have every tool have some sort of AI in it. So the winners in 2026 won't just be building smarter models, they are building sustainable systems, strong partnerships, and thinking about real world applications.